Good morning, respected director sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we 7th standard are conducting our assembly. Now I would like to call Om to say thought of the day.
Good morning, respected director sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today's thought is, richness is not only measured by money. You can also be rich by your habits, vision and discipline. I repeat my thought. Richness is not only measured by money. You can also be rich by your habits, vision and discipline. Thank you.
Thank you Om. Now I would like to call me to say word of the day.
Good morning all of you. Today's word of the day. First, prosperity. The spelling of prosperity is Prosperity. The meaning of prosperity is the state of being successful. Second, strive. The spelling of strive is Strive. The meaning of strive is to make best effort to do something. Thank you.
Now thank you Mit. Now I would like to call Garhi to say news headline.
Good morning all of you. Today's news headline. First, ISRO announced that the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft launched at 14 July has completed approximately two-thirds of its journey to the moon. Second, India won the third T20 against West Indies by 7 wickets but still trailed series 1 by 2. Third, today's day is celebrated as World Land Day and World Biodiesel Day. Thank you.
Thank you Garhi. Now I would like to call Mayu to ask a question.
Good morning all of you, respected directors or teachers and all my dear friends. I am here to ask GK question. First, what is the blood color of cockroach?
Yes. White.
The correct answer is white.
The blood of cockroach is white in color, okay? And the blood of human is red in color.
Second, in which year the printing machine established?
In which year the printing machine established? हाँ कार्तिकेश बता.
Wrong.
और हाँ यस कुलस्ते.
Wrong.
Anybody else? Okay. हाँ यस बताओ क्या नाम है. 1988.
Wrong.
Let's know the right answer. Okay.
The right answer is 1450.
14 15 ना.
50.
अच्छा 1450 not 15. Okay. आपका वही आंसर था क्या हिमांशु? वही आंसर था आपका. Very good. Right answer था. चलो.
For pre-primary, what is the name of principal of Shantiniketan International School?
Pre-primary students, LKG, UKG, who is the principal of Shantiniketan International School? Yes. Yes, UKG. Principal sir का नाम क्या है? You know the name? Very good. Dr. Amol Bhoyar sir. Okay. Who is the principal? Dr. Amol Bhoyar sir. Okay. Very good.
The right answer is Dr. Amol Bhoyar sir. Thank you.